many do we need?
Green.
How many?
3.
3. I need you to get 3 green.
Green. No one purple.
3 green.
I'm falling. You found another fish.
1.
Here. 2 green.
2 more.
No purple. No one.
2.
And 3.
We need 1 more.
One more.
One more green.
2 green.
3. Let's count them. Use your fingers.
1, 2, 3.
3. How many fish?
Is match.
How many fish?
Is 3.
3.